Hi guys. All right, I had a request to work out some certain kinds of problems, and I hope I'm doing the right ones. If not, you tell me. Okay, so anyway, I'm on page 496, and I was asked about the problems in the green, in half of the green section. Remember, you didn't have to do the whole thing. All right, so it starts out here. It says determine whether the relations are functions. Remember, this goes back to when we were doing the coordinated pairs, and we were drawing lines, and we were figuring out how to do all that kind of stuff. All right, a function, remember, is when no x coordinates repeat. Only the x. The y can repeat forever and ever, but not the x. Now, so if we look at what we first have here, and I hope you can see it. If not, you can look in your book. For 47, all right, we have these coordinates. We have -3, -5, 3, 7, -3, 4, 5, -2. Now, first off, which of those points are the x's? Right, going to be the first one. So that's what we're checking. Do any of those first numbers repeat? Well, yeah, they do, don't they? Because there's a -3 here and a -3 here. All right, so the answer to 47 is just no, because the x's repeat. Okay, let's look at 48. All right, for 48, we have -3, 7, 3, 7, -7, 7, 6, -1. Again, the first digits, the x's, are what we're looking for. Do any of those repeat? No, they don't. So the answer to this one is yes, it is the function. All right, now let's look at this. Remember, we did Venn diagrams with these, and what we did is we put all the x's, okay, the domains over here, and all the y's, the ranges over here, and then we matched them up. And remember, the reason the matching doesn't go perfect is because you put them down in numerical order, even if they're not matched up that way. So that's why the arrows don't, go straight across. But let's look. Again, remember, you can't have repeats, okay, of the x's. You can have repeats of the y's, but not the x's. So let's look. All right, so these are the x's. So A and D, all righty. B and E, yeah. C and D. Now, does that mean that it's not a function? No, it doesn't, because what repeated? These are the y's. So since none of the x's repeated, this is still considered a function, and the answer is going to be yes. All right, now we get to this guy. This guy is where you use that vertical line check, and I'm trying to find my protractor here. All right, remember, the vertical line test is this. If you can go down, straight down, vertical line through a dot, and you can hit more than one of those points, then it's not a function. So let's see if that happens. All right, we go straight down this guy. Nope. This guy? Nope. This guy? Nope. This guy? This guy? This guy? You get the idea. It doesn't hit any more than just those dots. So yes, that one will count as a function. So I hope this helped. Oh, almost forgot the 51 and 52, didn't I? Okay, hang on. 51 and 52 are easier than they look. Here's what it gives you. It tells you g to the x is equal to x over 3 plus 2. All right, and then it gives you for 51, it gives you g to the 6. And that looks really weird, but here's all that means. All that means is we're going to put, instead of x, we're going to stick in the 6. All right, we've been doing that all year. We're just going to substitute them in. So we're going to say g to the 6 is equal to, well, we're going to make the x 6, remember, in here. So 6 over 3 plus 2. All right, well, 6 over 3 is what? 2. So this is 2 plus 2. So the final answer is 4. Okay, so for that one, our answer is 4. Second one, they give us this. We're using this same formula here, but they say that they want the x to be a -9. Okay, so we're going to do the same thing. All right, we're going to do equals x, we think, is -9 over 3 plus 2. All right, what's that going to give us? Well, -9 divided by a +3. I'm sorry, that's really bright, isn't it? Sorry about that. All right, -9 divided by a +3 is what? -3. All right, and a -3 and a +2 is going to give us what? -1. Right? Okay, and so there we go, and that's all we have to do. Now, please tell me if I didn't do the ones you need to let me know, and I will be glad to do some more for you. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.